full upper day today. Isa ito sa mga favorite workout natin lahat. Dahil maganda ang pump and nata-target talaga natin yung mga parts sa upper body na gusto natin i-develop. Samahan nyo muna ako sa workout natin for today.
I've walked through the ashes, I've carried the flame. Every scar on my body's got a hard-earned name. They said it would break me, burn me down to dust, but the heat just forged the steel in the bones I trust. Yeah, I'm branded by the fire, carved by the pain. Every blister, every burn runs wild in my veins. I don't hide from the scorch, I don't run from the flame.
Goal natin ngayon to improve my weak points. Chest, back, arms, unti-unti. 0.1% better every day. Off-season mini-cut tayo ngayon bago mag-lean bulk ulit. So, beginner ka and nag-start ka pa lang ngayon mag-gym. Simulan mo lang, maging consistent ka, and makikita mo rin yung progress na para sa'yo. Salamat, Nati out.